Hey guys! Welcome back to class. Today I'll teach you the present continuous in the easiest way ever. The present continuous talks about actions that are happening right now. It also talks about actions happening around this moment for a short time. We form the present continuous with subject plus the verb to be plus a verb ending in ing. For example, she is writing. They are walking. Alright class. Let's learn how to make sentences in the present continuous. It's very easy. We only follow one formula. Subject plus am, is, are plus verb plus ing. Let me explain it step by step. First, we choose the subject, like I, she, he, you, we, or they. Then, we add the correct form of the verb to be, am, is, or are. And finally, we take a verb and add ing. For example, study equals studying, dance equals dancing, play equals playing. Now, let's look at some common mistakes. Don't make these mistakes, look carefully. First mistake, using am, is, are, without ing. For example, I am study. This is wrong. The correct form is, I am studying. Another mistake is using only the verb with ing and missing am, is, or are. For example, she cooking. That is not correct. We must say, she is cooking, and, remember, we never use the present continuous for routines, things we do every day. So, this sentence is wrong, I am going to school every day. For routines, we use the present simple. The correct way is, I go to school every day. Never forget to use verb be plus verb ing to form the present continuous, because if one is missing, you will sound cavernicolous. If this helped you, please, like the video and follow me for more easy English. See you next class.